The newly leaked iteration of the Sony A7 family, the tentative model dubbed A7V, is rapidly becoming one of the most eagerly anticipated mirrorless camera launches of the year, stirring up excitement across the photography, filmmaking, and hybrid creator communities. Over the past weeks, a cascade of prototype images and insider reports have surfaced online, providing the first credible glimpses of what could well be Sony's next major full-frame hybrid powerhouse. These early visuals, alongside fresh internal briefings, suggest Sony is preparing to elevate its A7 line significantly. Multiple reliable sources point toward a late 2025 release window, implying the A7V might arrive sooner than many expected, and with a premium positioning. According to these leaks, the upcoming camera is likely to carry a higher price tag and borrow design cues from Sony's flagship Alpha series models, while still being positioned as a versatile, all-rounder hybrid tool. Upon first glance, the A7V appears intentionally evolutionary rather than radically disruptive. Leaked images indicate the body design stays very much in line with the A7 IV generation. The ergonomic grip, footprint, and general handling remain familiar, which is good news for existing Sony shooters. That continuity means the leap is one of refinement, not complete reinvention, preserving comfort while delivering meaningful enhancements. One of the standout upgrades, the camera is reported to include a fully articulating LCD touchscreen, a must-have for vloggers, content creators, and hybrid video photo shooters who frequently capture from awkward angles. Beyond mere flip functionality, this screen is said to be brighter and more color accurate, a response to long-standing user feedback around outdoor visibility on previous models. Sony appears to have taken deeply to heart feedback on durability, heat management, and professional-level reliability. According to leaks, the A7V will feature improved weather sealing, a redesigned internal cooling architecture, and a more robust magnesium alloy chassis. The deeper internal heat channels and tighter seals against dust and moisture signal Sony's intention to make the camera far more dependable for demanding, long-duration shooting in the field. On the storage front, dual card slots will remain, catering to both event photographers and hybrid content creators who prize redundancy or workflow flexibility. Interestingly, leaked schematics hint Sony may once again bypass the traditional top-pane LCD display found in some competitors, retaining a flatter, minimalist upper body layout in keeping with the rest of the A7 series. The design direction here feels thoughtful, the familiarity of form factors married with refined features under the hood. Now let's dig into the most exciting leaks surrounding imaging power. Insiders claim the A7V will debut with a 44-megapixel backside illuminated full-frame sensor, a substantial jump from the 33MP sensor of the A7 IV. This new sensor promises more than just higher resolution, improved dynamic range, richer color depth, superior low-light performance, and greater flexibility for cropping and reframing in post-production. A by 44MP sensor effectively blurs the line between the standard A7 series and Sony's high-resolution A7R line, positioning the A7V as a heavyweight hybrid camera capable of professional-grade stills without sacrificing video functionality or portability. Powering that sensor is a next-gen image processor suite, the long-rumored Bion's XR successor, paired with a dedicated ICO coprocessor. This combo could yield massive gains in performance, especially in autofocus accuracy, subject tracking, and real-time recognition capabilities. Imagine faster and smarter detection of human faces, eyes, animals, and vehicles, along with predictive subject tracking that dynamically adapts to motion, posture, and context. These kinds of upgrades would really benefit sports, wildlife, and event photographers, the folks for whom split-second precision matters more than ever. On the video front, the A7V looks poised to continue Sony's dominance in the hybrid camera space. Sources suggest uncropped 4K video, internal 10-bit recording, and even the potential for 16-bit raw output via HDMI. These features would place it firmly in the realm of cinema-quality hybrid cameras, giving filmmakers and creators the flexibility to perform serious color grading and post-production work straight from their capture gear. Additional features reportedly include S-Log3 and S-Cinetone profiles, HLG HDR support, and high-speed recording modes for ultra-smooth slow-motion footage. Sony also seems to be including pro-level workflow tools such as timecode sync, proxy file creation, and enhanced tethering, streaming support, all built on the foundation of an upgraded heat dissipation system that aims to avoid thermal shutdowns during extended video sessions. What all of this adds up to is a camera designed for creators who want a single, hybrid tool that can seamlessly transition between high-end photography and serious video production. Whether you're a content creator, YouTuber, professional photographer, or filmmaker, the A7V appears built to bridge multiple disciplines, offering both the portability of the A7 range and the cinema-grade feature set of much larger rigs. On the stabilization front, leaks suggest an 8-stop in-body image stabilization system, potentially the most advanced ever fitted to a Sony full-frame mirrorless camera. 8 stops of compensation would dramatically improve handheld shooting, especially when paired with telephoto lenses, gimbals, or when filming in challenging environments. Combine that with the new BSI sensor and faster readout speeds, and you get improved rolling shutter performance, cleaner shadows, and better noise control at high ISO settings. For photographers and filmmakers working in dimly lit environments, concerts, weddings, nighttime landscapes, or cityscapes, these enhancements promise a real step change in performance. Autofocus is where Sony has long excelled, and the A7V appears ready to push that envelope further. With the integration of AI-assisted recognition, the camera can not only detect eyes and faces but potentially understand body posture, motion trajectories, and subject types in real time. That could improve tracking significantly in high-action scenarios, athletes, wildlife, vehicles, where conventional AF systems sometimes falter. If this system performs as leaked, we might see the A7V surpass the capabilities of leading competitor models from Canon and Nikon in predictive tracking, autofocus, and subject recognition. That would re-solidify Sony's leadership in autofocus innovation for hybrid creators. On workflow and connectivity, the camera reportedly supports ultra-fast wireless and tethering options, Wi-Fi 6E for high-speed wireless transfers, USB 4.0 Type-C for fast-tethered workflows, and Bluetooth Low Energy for always-on device pairing. On the software side, FTP, SFTP uploads, remote shooting apps, and advanced metadata editing inside camera are all in the rumor list. Proxy recording could allow creators to edit lightweight footage on location while keeping the full-quality files for final delivery. These features are tailored for modern production workflows. Documentary filmmakers, commercial content creators, and live streamers alike will appreciate the faster, smarter connectivity and file management built for hybrid workflows. When you look at the full spectrum of users, the leaked A7V appears to be built for nearly every creative discipline. Portrait and wedding shooters will appreciate the 44MP resolution, improved color depth, and refined eye face detection autofocus. Landscape and travel photographers will benefit from the enhanced dynamic range, weather-sealed build, and improved low-light performance. Sports and wildlife photographers should love the burst shooting speed and intelligent tracking. Meanwhile, filmmakers, vloggers, and YouTube creators will gain access to professional video codecs, uncropped 4K, a fully articulating screen, and smart workflow connectivity. Whether you're a professional photographer, filmmaker, influencer, or advanced enthusiast, the Sony A7V promises a remarkable merger of resolution, speed, portability, and versatility. It's designed not for a single niche, but for virtually every creator who demands serious performance from one mirrorless body. With the launch window drawing near, anticipation continues to rise. All eyes are now on Sony to see if the A7V truly delivers the next leap forward in full-frame hybrid mirrorless.